Hi, I'm Amanda Gulik from Clever Dough Cakes, where I share yummy baking recipes and fun cake decorating ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. This is one of our family's favorite recipes. And here is the recipe we're going to be doing today. It's from Martha Stewart. I will put a link in the description below to where you can get this. 1 cup of butter, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk your dry ingredients together. Add to your 1 cup of butter 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of lightly packed brown sugar. If your butter is still too cold and clumps, you can melt it slightly on the stove in a carefully. And also pre-warm your butter in the microwave for just a few seconds. You can use an electric mixer, or you do it old school like my wife likes to do it with a whisk or a spoon. Combine the butter and the sugar together until nice and smooth.
Until light and fluffy. Done.
Like this. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We like to use pure vanilla extract. It just tastes better. And 2 eggs. Beat well until completely mixed. For 60 seconds until nice and light and fluffy. Add in your dry mixture and mix until well combined. It's easier to do it in stages. Doesn't that look so yummy and tasty? When you fold it in nice and slow, it doesn't spill all over the counter. If you want to use a stand mixer instead of doing it by hand, then you can whip up the butter and the egg mixture with a beater or with the flat paddle. Both will work. And then when you come to the combining of the dry ingredients, use the dough attachment. All 3 come with your KitchenAid mixer. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips. The recipe actually calls for 2 cups of chocolate chips, but we find that a little too chocolatey. So do the amount that works best for you. Is that even possible? This is what it looks like with 1 cup of chocolate chips, so just imagine double the amount. Using 2 small spoons, scoop your chocolate chip cookie mixture onto your cookie sheet, keeping about 1 inch between each cookie because they will expand as they bake and you don't want them to smush all together. You can bake them on an ungreased cookie sheet or on parchment paper or on a silicone baking mat. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and bake for 10 minutes before checking. Look at that. You can cool them on a cooling rack like this. Let's take a look inside. Yum. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they are so good. You have to make these. They're so easy to make and they're so yummy, it's so tasty. All right, so while I finish up all these cookies, why don't you head on over here and watch how to make this delicious chocolate chip banana muffins. Oh my gosh. You're going to enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video so that you'll know the minute my next one comes out. Talk soon. Bye.